Hiya, my name's Luke. I'm the area account manager for Anton, and I'm just going to be going over a few of the features of the Velocity bag as part of Anton's new partnership with Testmeter, where you get a free Velocity bag with any qualifying purchase of a flue gas analyzer. With the Velocity bag, there are designated pockets for each individual tool that you'll require with your flue gas analyzer. For instance, you have a designated space for your flue gas analyzer, your Sprinter printer, your flue probes, and even your temperature clamps. This ensures that your equipment is always neatly stored and always at reach for whenever you need them. This bag also has a rubber ergonomic handle for easy and comfortable carrying, and on the reverse of the bag, a lovely padded rear in case you wanted to carry the bag over the shoulder. The bag is also made up of high-grade water-resistant material to withstand harsh weathers, making sure that your tools stay nice and safe during harsh weather conditions. This bag is built for long-lasting durability to meet the vigorous needs of a HVAC professional. To get yours now, visit testmeter.co.uk.